Nestled in the heart of China, lies a place where myth intertwines with reality. This is Hubei Shennongjia, a region that has captivated the imagination of many for centuries. Its landscapes are not just visually stunning but are also steeped in stories and legends that have been passed down through generations. Hubei Shennongjia is a land of towering peaks, shrouded in mist and legend. The mountains here rise majestically, their peaks often hidden by a veil of mist, creating an ethereal atmosphere that feels almost otherworldly. These peaks have inspired countless tales of mythical creatures and ancient gods. This remote and beautiful region is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Recognized for its outstanding natural beauty and cultural significance, Shennongjia stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and human history. The designation as a World Heritage Site helps ensure that its unique landscapes and rich history are preserved for future generations. It is renowned for its rich biodiversity and stunning landscapes. The region is a mosaic of dense forests, rolling hills and pristine rivers, each teeming with life. The diversity of flora and fauna here is truly remarkable, making it a paradise for biologists and nature lovers alike. Shennongjia is a sanctuary for countless species of plants and animals. From the elusive golden snub-nosed monkey to the rare Chinese giant salamander, the region is home to many species that are found nowhere else on Earth. This sanctuary provides a safe haven for these creatures, allowing them to thrive in their natural habitat. Some of these are found nowhere else on Earth. The unique geography and climate of Shennongjia have created conditions that support a wide range of endemic species. These rare plants and animals are a testament to the region's ecological importance and the need for ongoing conservation efforts. The region's unique geography and climate have created a haven for life. The varied terrain, from high mountain peaks to deep valleys, coupled with a climate that ranges from temperate to subtropical, provides a multitude of habitats. This diversity of environments supports an incredible array of life forms, each adapted to their specific niche. It is a living laboratory for scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Researchers come from all over the world to study the unique ecosystems of Shennongjia. Their work helps us understand the complexities of these environments and the intricate relationships between the species that inhabit them. For nature enthusiasts, Shennongjia offers endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of Hubei Shennongjia. We will traverse its rugged landscapes, delve into its dense forests, and climb its towering peaks. Along the way, we will encounter the incredible wildlife that calls this place home, and learn about the efforts to protect this precious ecosystem. We will delve into its fascinating history, unravel its ancient myths, and explore the ongoing efforts to protect this ecological treasure for generations to come. From the legends of the Shennong, the divine farmer, to the modern-day conservation initiatives, Shennongjia is a place where the past and present coexist in a delicate balance. Join us on this adventure and discover the wonders of Hubei Shennongjia. Hubei Shennongjia is a biodiversity hotspot. It is home to an astounding array of plant and animal life. Over 3,000 plant species thrive in its diverse habitats. These range from lush bamboo forests to alpine meadows. The region is also home to over 1,000 animal species, many of which are endangered. Iconic residents include the golden snub-nosed monkey, the clouded leopard, and the Chinese giant salamander. These creatures are a testament to the ecological importance of Shennongjia. Shennongjia unique geography and climate are key to its incredible biodiversity. The region is dominated by the Daba Mountains, which create a range of microclimates. Elevations range from 400 meters to over 3,000 meters above sea level. This variation in altitude results in a wide spectrum of temperatures and precipitation levels. Subtropical forests blanket the lower slopes, while coniferous forests dominate the higher elevations. This diversity of habitats supports a remarkable variety of life. Shennongjia is shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Legends have persisted for centuries of a creature known as the Yeren, or wild man. This elusive being is said to resemble a large ape, walking upright and covered in hair. While scientific evidence of the Yeren remains elusive, local folklore is filled with tales of sightings and encounters. Some believe it to be a surviving Gigantopithecus, a prehistoric ape once found in Asia. Others speculate it could be a yet undiscovered primate species. Section 5. A History Etched in Nature. Human presence in Shennongjia dates back millennia. This region, with its dense forests and rich biodiversity, has been a cradle of human civilization for thousands of years. The ancient tools and artifacts found here tell a story of early human ingenuity and adaptation to the natural environment. Archaeological evidence suggests that people have inhabited the region for at least 10,000 years. These findings include pottery fragments, stone tools, and remnants of ancient dwellings, all of which paint a vivid picture of life in prehistoric times. The people of Shennongjia were skilled artisans and hunters, living in harmony with the land. The name Shennongjia itself is steeped in legend. The misty mountains and lush valleys have inspired countless tales and myths over the centuries. These stories are woven into the very fabric of the region, adding a layer of mystique to its already enchanting landscape. It is said to be named after Shennong, a mythical Chinese emperor and deity credited with inventing agriculture and herbal medicine. Shennong is a central figure in Chinese mythology, revered for his contributions to early Chinese society. His legacy is deeply embedded in the culture and history of Shennongjia. Legend has it that Shennong tasted hundreds of herbs to test their medicinal properties. This act of self-sacrifice and dedication to the well-being of his people is a testament to his enduring legacy. Even today, the forests of Shennongjia are a treasure trove of medicinal plants, continuing the tradition of herbal medicine that Shennong began. He is said to have built ladders of wood to scale the region's mountains, giving rise to the name Shennongjia, which translates to Shennong's ladder. These wooden ladders symbolize the connection between humanity and nature, a theme that resonates throughout the history of Shennongjia. The region's rugged terrain and natural beauty have always been both a challenge and a source of inspiration for its inhabitants. Section 6. Guardians of the Forest Conservation Efforts. Recognizing the ecological significance of Shennongjia, the Chinese government has implemented various conservation measures. In 1986, the Shennongjia Forestry District was established to protect the region's unique biodiversity. This was followed by the establishment of the Shennongjia National Nature Reserve in 1990 and its designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2016. These initiatives aim to preserve the region's natural beauty, protect its endangered species, and promote sustainable development. Section 7. Ecotourism. Walking lightly on sacred ground. Ecotourism is playing an increasingly vital role in the conservation of Shennongjia. By offering visitors a chance to experience the region's natural wonders firsthand, ecotourism initiatives aim to raise awareness about the importance of conservation. These initiatives also provide economic opportunities for local communities, fostering a sense of stewardship over their natural heritage. Visitors can explore the region's stunning landscapes through guided hikes, observe wildlife in their natural habitats, and learn about the rich cultural heritage of Shennongjia. Section 8. The Global Significance of Shennongjia. Hubei Shennongjia is not just a Chinese treasure, it is a global asset. Its pristine forests act as a vital carbon sink, helping to mitigate climate change. Its unique biodiversity provides valuable insights into evolution and the interconnectedness of life on Earth. The conservation efforts in Shennongjia serve as a model for other biodiversity hotspots around the world. By protecting this ecological treasure, we are not only preserving a piece of China's natural heritage, but also safeguarding a vital part of our planet's future. Section 9. Preserving Paradise, a Shared Responsibility. The future of Hubei Shennongjia rests in our hands. This pristine wilderness, with its lush forests and diverse wildlife, is a testament to the beauty and resilience of nature. However, it is also a reminder of the fragility of our environment and the urgent need for conservation. As stewards of this planet, it is our collective responsibility to ensure that this ecological treasure continues to thrive for generations to come. Every action we take, no matter how small, can have a significant impact on the health of our planet. From reducing waste and recycling to supporting conservation initiatives, each effort contributes to the greater good. We must support conservation efforts, promote sustainable tourism, and engage in practices that minimize our ecological footprint. Sustainable tourism not only allows us to enjoy the natural beauty of places like Shennongjia, but also ensures that these areas are preserved for future generations. By choosing eco-friendly travel options and respecting local wildlife and habitats, we can make a positive difference and raise awareness about the importance of protecting our natural world. Education plays a crucial role in conservation. By informing others about the significance of biodiversity and the threats it faces, we can inspire more people to take action. Community involvement and public awareness campaigns can lead to a more informed and proactive society. By working together, we can ensure that the legend of Shennongjia, the land of mystery and wonder, continues to inspire awe and wonder in the hearts of humanity. This collaboration extends beyond borders and cultures, uniting people with a common goal of preserving our planet's natural heritage. Let us strive to be worthy inheritors of this natural legacy, protecting its beauty and biodiversity for all time. Our actions today will shape the world of tomorrow, and it is our duty to ensure that future generations inherit a planet that is as vibrant and full of life as the one we have been privileged to experience.